This is my Amazon gift card. Now this is another gift card. There's a gift card inside here, which is totally different. I just don't want you to see the serial number. That is posted through the little peep window that they give you. I did a video on this before. I'm doing another video. Amazon gift cards are awesome. You know, in this time and age, people give gift cards to people instead of gifts because it's a lot easier. The thing is, you give somebody a gift card, chances are, most people know you buy a gift card for a restaurant or fast food. A majority of people don't use it. Those gift cards, See's Candy, those cards sit there forever. The company makes a fortune out of it. Nobody cashes it out. And you're just throwing your money away. The thing is that if you give, I don't want to be bad. If you give a woman a Target gift card, she's going to cash it out. Women love to shop at Target, and they're going to cash out that card. So you're not wasting your money. As long as the person's responsible, Target gift cards, they love them. I give them to people all the time as just a thank you. Now, that's the whole point of this video. This is an Amazon gift card. Now, let me tell you, what's the point of the Amazon gift card? For me, I buy these all the time. This one is a $25. I bought two of these. One of them I bought because the cashier at the market helped me. He didn't need to. He went out of his way because I was a little upset about having to install the app on my phone for the store. I said, I don't want to install an app to get a discount. Just give me a discount. I said, I'm not playing games. Just give me a discount. Don't make people, there are people that are in their 70s, 80s, and 90s that don't even own a cell phone. Why should they suffer because they can't get a discount? Or they don't have a cell phone, and they can't install the app. But that's how the stores are now. So I just didn't want to put it on my phone. He said, give me your phone, which I never do to anybody. I gave him my phone. He installed the app, and then I got my little code, and I got my email thing. I put the code in there, and next thing you know, the app is on there, and it's working, and I got my discount. And I thought, this guy just spent 5 minutes, told people my registers, well, he didn't tell them he was closed. People just realized he wasn't going to help them because he was helping me. So they went to another register, and I'm so happy that he went out of his way to help me. And in this life, if you've got money and you can help somebody out, do it. Do it. People are so cheap and so greedy, and they don't want to share. If you can help somebody and if you can make their day better, he made my day better. I went out and bought this gift card, and I'm going to go to the market next week, and when I check out, I'm going to hand this little Amazon gift card to him and say thank you for helping me. And that's going to be a big surprise to him, and it's going to show him that it pays to help people. And for me, it's just a $25 gift card. I'm more than happy to share with somebody. I also bought another gift card. I'm not going to go into details about what happened, but a neighbor alerted me to something, and they didn't need to. And the next day, it takes 2 days for the card to show up. That night, I went out and bought this card and the other card. And I went over to their door, put they all come in a box, this little box over here. You take the box, put it in a little envelope. I wrote their name on the front. And I had, if you want, when you buy the gift card, they will print a little note on a sheet of paper. That's what I had. It was, thank you for letting me know about blank blank. Put it in their mailbox. I got a text message 10 minutes later saying, thank you so much. You didn't have to do that, but we appreciate it. And it's $25. It's not going to break you. Made them very happy. They don't need the money. I don't need the money. It made them very happy and very appreciative. And it's just like you go out of your way a little bit to do something nice for somebody. I buy food for people all the time. I buy gifts. But you give them a gift card, and everybody shops at Amazon. And that's the point of the video. Go out and use the Amazon gift cards. They are awesome. If you don't want to do that, do Target. $25. They even sell them $10. I used to do that go to the restaurant before the pandemic started. Pay your bill, hand them a $10 Target gift card. You know darn well they're going to Target the next day and they're buying something. That's the point of the video. Pay it forward, help people out. Very easy to do. Go on your Amazon account, click on gift cards, buy a gift card. They send it to you in the mail. They'll even send you the electronic gift card, but I don't like those. Then it sends the code to you. You can send it to somebody else. I don't like messing with that. Get the card, get it in your hand. hand them the card. The code is covered up. You give it to them, you know it's legit, and you're good. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, all that stuff nobody does. Stay well. Take care of yourself.